Hey, it's Nicoletta here, and today I got a Hoover, which I need. See, that's the one I wanted. Cordless, runtime 24 minutes, depending on the settings. And then I got some paint samples. Gonna paint them on a bit of paper, and then, yeah, I think those two for the living room. Either one of them at least anyway, and then this sort of colour for the feature wall. I'm gonna do those a feature wall too. And that's so. Yeah, I'm gonna show you once I get things sorted. So yeah, I've labelled each one of them so I know which colour is which. Once they're painted, I've made a wee makeshift paintbrush for this one because the rest are like little sponges at the end. And the noise, that's a work man. So yeah. Right, mustard jar. So here's the colours, and just have to let them dry out properly before I can see. I must say I like this one for the living room, that one for the living room. Don't know about these two for the bedroom. Either one of them for the bedroom and out at least. If anything, I go for that one. Yeah. Right, now it's time to open the Hoover, see what it's like and take a good look at it. I think that's the battery. Or is that the charger lead? I think the charger plug. Anyway. Nothing else in the box. Mount up one more. Oh, that's that out of the box. I guess, yep, put up on the wall if you want to put up on the wall. Just keep them. The head, awesome. This would be the body of it, so to speak. Oh, so yeah, there's replaceable battery. Good. Had to figure that out. Release bin. There's the bin. Awesome. Oh. Awesome. That was easy to put together. I like that wee light at the end. It's actually quite lightweight too. It's so handy. Glad I went for it. There's the dust already. To figure out how to remove the battery, but it shouldn't be too hard. So there's the battery. This slips out of there. Pressing this little button here. So yeah, hopefully use that today once I charge that battery a bit more on my house and that. So yeah, see ya.